Hello everyone, this is going to be a short tutorial on how to add all our staff GCSS email accounts to your Gmail contact list. Now the reason why you want to do this is because if you've never typed an email to somebody, when you start typing their email, it doesn't auto-populate for you, or it doesn't give you a list of suggested email addresses, and that can be very cumbersome and frustrating. So to help you out, what I've done is I've got an entire list of everyone's email, and I'm going to show you how you can insert that into a contact group in Gmail, which will allow it to auto-populate the email as you type it. So take a look right now. If I type in sarah.bell, you can see that nothing is auto-generating. I should see all the Sarahs in our system and choose the email address that I want to click on and use. So what I'm going to do right now is show you how you can easily add all those emails so that this auto-populates as you're typing it. So what you're going to do in the email is I'm going to have a link to this spreadsheet and you're going to open it up. Now what you're going to want to do is select all the email addresses in this column and copy them, and then go back to Gmail and put it into a group. So to do that, you've got a couple of options. One, you can click on the column header on A, and then you can right click and hit copy, or you can hit on a PC Control C. All right, let me select that again, hit Control C, or on a Mac it's Command C. Another way to do it, if that's not working, you can just click anywhere in the column and you can hit Control A on a PC or Command A on a Mac, and then again you can right click and hit copy, or if you want you can actually hit Control C, or you can hit Command C to copy it all. Now once you've copied that entire column of information, what you're going to do is go back to Gmail, and in the top left corner where it says Mail, under our logo, you're going to come down and click on Contacts. Now once you're in Contacts, we're going to want to create a new group. So you're going to go down the list to where you see New Group, and you're going to title this 2018-2019 Staff Emails. And what you're going to do is hit OK. And then what you want to do, be very careful, you don't want to go ahead and click on this plus sign just yet. You want to go down and click on 2018-2019 and see that it turned red. And then right here where it says the person and the plus sign, you're going to click on it. And now you can either right click and hit paste, or you can hit Control or Command V. It's Control on a PC, and on a Mac it's Command. And when you do that, all the emails are now added to your group, and you hit Add. Now you've just added every email for all the employees in our system into your contact group. Now what you're going to want to do is go back to where it says Contacts and hit Mail, and then you're going to want to go ahead and hit the refresh button on your browser because it has to refresh in order to take the changes. When you hit Compose, you'll notice now, before when I type Sarah's name, now look when I type Sarah's name. So all the Sarahs will pop up in our system, and then you can just keep typing until that email is auto-populated for you and you can click on it. Same thing, I'll type in Troy.Nasworthy, and look, his email pops up. I'll type in Tony.Vega, and you can see I can easily type in someone's email. So I hope this is helpful. It will make your life a little bit easier and stress-free when you're trying to type someone's email in our system. And please let me know if you have any questions. Remember, it's really important you refresh the browser in order for the changes to take place, but it should be loaded really quick. So when you hit the refresh button, it should work right away. If you have any problems, please let me know and just email me, and I'll get back to you as fast as I can and help you out. Thank you so much for watching.